And what's up guys, Andrew here, and today we're going to be taking a quick look at the S&P 500. This is a 4-hour chart, and we can see that after a very green Friday last week, we are now approaching this blue resistance line. And something to take a look at is actually this MACD cross. We can see that we could be making a crossover here on the MACD, which is bullish and which could propel us above this blue trend line. However, keep in mind that we are still under this red trend line right here, so that is the big thing to watch out for. I would be very careful about going long any stock right now. We can see that if I pull up the QQQ, that it has been performing slightly better than the S&P 500. We can see that if I draw this resistance line right here, that we actually broke out over this resistance line Friday. And if tech, which it often has been, continues to lead the market, this might be a bullish indicator for the market. And also, every time we've been falling under the 200-day moving average, it has been a relatively quick way back up. So that is the last thing I would say to watch out for. If we spend a prolonged amount of time below this 200-day moving average, that is when things start to turn very bearish very quickly. Basically, be careful about going long on any stock here. We can see a market crash down really quickly, and if you are going to be buying any stocks right now, buy it on a bloodbath day. Buy it on these days right here, and right here, when the market is getting slammed, so that if it does get slammed further, your downside is only this much and not this much, you know? Recently, we've been seeing a lot of really good earnings beats from all the companies reporting right now. It is earnings season, and all these beats have been saving us from further downside. And because of this, you could say that in 2017, we just got a little too ahead of ourselves. Everything went up super fast here, super hard. And that even though we've been having these great earnings report, they're just starting to justify what happened here. So if that is the theory, then we could be seeing some prolonged horizontal movement for the next couple months until valuations are a little lower again and until we can start to price in things later. So that is going to do it for me, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. It's been pretty hard making stock videos recently. With how crazy and volatile the market has been recently, it sort of makes me not want to do any specific stock spotlights, because while this stock that I see, I do like this stock a lot, and it might have been slammed recently, and I think it's at a good entry point. At any point in time, if the market goes like this and tanks, it's going to drag everything down with it. However, if you all would still like to see some thoughts on any specific stock, be sure to leave that in the comment section down below, as well as a like, and be sure to subscribe to be able to see when I post these videos. So, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.